You're going to buy gifts for everyone else this holiday season. Maybe it's time to treat yourself and your house to beautiful windows, front doors, or garage doors. Not only will your house look beautiful, but you'll start saving money and you can afford those gifts for everybody else. With the upgraded energy efficiency, you'll be saving money and you can afford all those other gifts. Whether it's a sleek new garage door, energy efficient windows, or a beautiful front door, we've got holiday deals that make it easy. Give your home the upgrade it deserves. Click below to schedule an appointment today.